Question? Oh, yes, yes. Sorry, when I have my glasses, I can't hear. My other senses does. I'm so serious. Why are you laughing? Hi, everyone. My name is Abigail Francis. I am a third-year biology major, proudly representing the beautiful Helen of the West Indies, Saint Lucia, at Portraits of Excellence 2026. This year's theme, Empowering My Generation, Youth in Motion for Health and Hope, highlights the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Today's university students navigate fast-paced academic lives that often lead to poor nutrition, physical inactivity, and increased health risks. This issue resonates deeply with me because as a university student, I often find myself indulging in unhealthy eating habits and adopting a sedentary lifestyle. Shameful, I know. Interestingly, research indicates that students living in on-campus dormitories are especially susceptible to these lifestyle patterns. Through my research, I aim to empower students using simple, science-based text messages that promote healthier eating, exercise, and positive health beliefs. By leveraging mobile technology within the campus setting, this intervention meets students where they are, making healthy choices more accessible, sustainable, and youth-driven. This positions young people as leaders in health promotion, driving meaningful change toward health and hope. So earlier, I mentioned the Helen of the West, and here's a fun fact about Saint Lucia. Saint Lucia is truly one of a kind. It is the only country that is named after a woman, that is, Saint Lucy of Syracuse. And it is the home to the Amazona versicolor, the Saint Lucia parrot, which is our national bird. Once again, my name is Abigail Francis, your Miss Saint Lucia 2026, and I can't wait to make Helen proud on the Portraits of Excellence stage. My mom. Yeah. Well, my mom is a very hardworking person, and when she was younger, she wanted to be a nurse. But she couldn't go through that dream, and so she became a teacher. I wouldn't say she settled for that, but she found a different calling. I think it was easy at that time for her. And throughout my life, she's always supported me, whether academically, spiritually, emotionally. And I think that was what led me into loving the sciences and wanting to be something in the medical field, because in that way, I feel like I could help her accomplish her dream. And so I really look up to her as an inspiration in everything. She's my rock, and I don't know what I'll do without her. So, yeah. Well, Saint Lucia is, very special, very dear to my heart. One of the things that I think really makes us stand out is that we have the highest number of Nobel laureates per capita in the world. So we actually have 2 Nobel laureates. That is Sir Arthur Lewis. He won the prize for economics, as well as Sir Derek Walcott, who won it for literature. So these 2 fields are very important in our world today, and I think it's really interesting that St. Lucia has managed to produce those 2 people, and they actually have the same birthday, January 23rd. So coming next week, we'll celebrate our Nobel Laureates Week. Well, for me, I'd say I juggle a lot, and I'm still able to manage it for the most part. I think that something that sets me apart is the ability to multitask and to do everything that I do well. I generally don't fail. I try to give my best in everything. And so whatever you see me, whether it's in music ministry, in this arena, in academics, I try to give my best to everything, and I think that's a gold standard. So. Honestly, this is way out of my comfort zone. Initially, when I came in 2023, my country did not have a representative. We partnered with the Dominican Club, and then they were telling me, next year, you got to go. I said, oh. Next year came, 2024, and I still didn't go because, again, it was out of my comfort zone. I really wasn't comfortable with the idea of opening up in this way. However, I don't want to say peer pressure, but after encouragement and realizing that there was a need for my country to be shown on the portrait stage, I felt like I was the best person to do it. And I really think that being able to showcase Saint Lucia in this arena is something that the campus needs to see, and something that I need to do for myself as well in order to improve public speaking skills, my other areas, creative areas, and to just put myself out there as somebody who's more than what people might think.